friends! Today I'm unboxing the Birthday Shaker card kit from Annie's Kit Club. Every kit comes with an instruction booklet to make these cards. This particular kit comes with rainbow sequins in both circles and stars, some striped wool in blue and pink, clear stamps with sentiments, 2 sheets of raised foam strips, 8 envelopes, 2 sheets of acetate shapes to make the shaker cards. Each is pre-cut and ready to be punched out. 8 A2 size cards, 4 in blue, 4 in pink. 4 sheets of die cuts to pop out, 2 of each design. We have 5 letter size pattern papers and a sheet of green letter size cardstock. And that is everything to make these 8 shaker cards. Plus, every new Annie's Kit subscription comes with this bonus welcome gift: a zipper pouch containing an acrylic block, a paper piercing tool, and a bone folder.